Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix unable to activate Touch ID on iPhone after iOS update. If you are facing this issue then please keep watching this video until the end. And before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Unable finger to open. To do that, launch Setting, then go to Accessibility. Here we have to find Home button, tap on it, and in the end enable Reset finger to open. Solution number 2. Turn off iPhone unlock feature. Launch Setting, then tap Touch ID and passcode. Put your passcode and disable iPhone unlock and iTunes App Store. After that, force restart your iPhone by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until we see the Apple logo. After reboot, same go to Setting, Touch ID and passcode. Put your passcode and enable iPhone unlock and iTunes and App Store. Here we have to put Apple ID password. Solution number 3. Sign out Apple ID and sign in back. Launch Setting. Scroll down, go to iTunes and App Store. Tap Apple ID and tap sign out. After sign out, soft restart your iPhone and sign in back. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.